The phone business is one of the most lucrative business in the world. Everyone wants to have a phone in their hands. Today, we are going to find out 50 phone companies that shares more than 98% of the pie in the phone market. What are those? Let's get started. itel, GTE, Ulefone, Meizu, Apple, Samsung, Google, LG, OnePlus, Huawei, Nokia, HTC, Lenovo, Motorola, Sony, Xiaomi, Honor, Oppo, Realme, Vivo, BlackBerry, Asus, Alcatel, Microsoft, Vodafone, Energizer, Cat, Sharp, Micromax, TCL, Techno, BLU, Acer, Wiko, Panasonic, Very Cool, Plum, Amazon, HP, Ericsson, Fujitsu, Firefly, Foxconn, Intel, Philips, Juke, Meitu, Wasam, and NEC. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you would like to watch more videos like this or would like me to make more videos on specific topics, let me know in the comment down below. Besides that, I'll see you guys in next videos.